Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best hand mixers on Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Hamilton Beach Electric Hand Mixer. There's a reason this model is a bestseller on Amazon. It's less than half the price of the average cost of a mixer. And you're not sacrificing quality. In addition to rocking a totally respectable 6 speeds, as well as a quick burst button for that extra hit of power, and a snap-on case for easy storage, it's actually designed to rest against the curve of a bowl, which means you can set it down between tasks without getting flour and sugar all over your counter. This hand mixer includes a handy snap-on storage case, no more lost beaters. With 250 watts of peak power hand mixer. Also with 6 speeds, including the quick burst button, you can adjust this kitchen mixer to accommodate any recipe. A built-in groove lets you rest the hand mixer over the bowl, so drips go where they belong and not all over your countertop. The kitchen mixer includes an easy-to-clean set of traditional beaters and whisk. Number 2. Our second best pick is Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer. When you have a variety of baking tasks to get through, you need a mixer with power, speed and an assortment of attachments. This model hand mixer checks all of those boxes and more. The beaters, a chef's whisk, dough hooks and a spatula store easily in a snap-on storage case so you won't have to go searching for them when you need them. We love the smooth start feature with 3 low mixing speeds which eliminates splattering. The 220-watt motor and the 9 speeds powered the chef's whisk to help us whip cream and create stiff egg whites in under 2 minutes. 1-step power switch with 9-speed LED display. This mixer also has a feature called automatic feedback that provides extra power when you need it for heavy loads. The rotating swivel cord can be positioned for right or left-handed use for maximum comfort. Number 3. Our third best pick is KitchenAid Ultra Power 5-speed hand mixer. Hand mixers don't tend to have lots of variety when it comes to design. Yet in addition to being sleek and lightweight, instead of bulky and clunky, this mixer comes in a dazzling rainbow of colors, 13 to be exact. But its beauty isn't only in how this machine looks. This is actually a totally legit mixer, with clearly marked speeds that you can easily navigate between, a button you can use to single-handedly eject the beaters, and a reasonably powerful motor, whipping cream and beating egg whites in less than a minute. This hand mixer has the right speed for the task at hand, from mixing in nuts and chocolate chips at speed 1, to whipping perfect meringues at speed 5. Lockable swivel cord keeps the cord out of your way while mixing. Quickly remove any of the included accessories from the hand mixer with the single-handed press of the button. Mix your ingredients thoroughly, using the thoughtfully designed stainless steel turbo beater. Accessories, dishwasher safe. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is KitchenAid Cordless Hand Mixer. If you tend to get tangled up in your cord while mixing a batch of cookies, a cordless mixer might be your dream come true. The multiple speeds of this cordless hand mixer help you mix whatever you like, but you'll need to remember to fully charge this mixer for 2 hours before your first use. Once that's done, you can make up to 4 batches of cookies on a single charge, and the speed dial on top of the mixer's handle will let you know your battery level and when it's time to charge again. If you need to make a cake right afterwards, a 10-minute quick charge will get you through. The cordless aspect doesn't take anything away from its power, and we were still able to easily cream butter and sugar, whip egg whites in 1.5 minutes and whipped cream in a little over 2 minutes. That said, being free and easy without a cord does come at the price of slightly more hacked, £3. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Braun MultiMix Hand Mixer. If you're looking for a hand mixer that gives you the most power for the least amount of effort, this model mixer scores high. It boasts multi-whisk beaters, a combination whisk and beater in one, dough hooks, and a storage bag. Our favorite feature, Smart Mix technology powered by the 350-watt motor, means you can mix more with less effort. The 9 speeds are easy to turn through with its one-handed control system, and there's a turbo setting for an extra boost of power for those hard-to-beat doughs. We were able to easily cream butter and sugar, whip cream in 1.5 minutes, and beat egg whites to a soft peak in a minute. This lightweight powerhouse weighs in at just over 2 pounds, which makes it easy to handle, especially with its ergonomic grip. All of this power doesn't make it extra loud either, another reason this mixer is our top pick. Quick Cleanup Easy Clean design has a completely sealed system, so nothing gets inside the housing, and dishwasher's safe parts make cleaning easy. One-handed Vario control. A simple turn of the Vario control speed dial is all it takes to adjust the speed while you mix, and the touch of a button lets you switch between accessories. Comfortable control and ergonomic, super soft grip keeps you comfortably in control. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.